Hey, what's going on everyone? My name's Jamie G. First of all, I want to say a massive thanks for joining me here in today's video. Having been around the affiliate game for quite some time, I've been really fortunate to bump shoulders with a whole range of affiliates, from complete beginners right up to 7 and nearly 8-figure affiliates as well. Been really fortunate, and there's a couple of things that they do a little bit differently that separates the kind of cream of the crop from the rest of the pack. I'm going to reveal all that right after this. Hey, welcome back guys. So my name's Jamie G, and if you are new to my channel, I cover internet marketing, affiliate marketing, how to get started online, and pretty much all things digital. So if that's of interest to yourself, feel free to hit the subscribe button and smash that bell icon to stay up to date with everything I'm going to be putting out. Like I say, what I'm covering today is what separates the 7-figure affiliates from the rest of the pack. And I'm going to cover a couple of things which you're probably thinking, yeah, that's a little bit boring, Jamie, but it's basically the difference between what they're doing and what everyone else is doing. So, clue number one, and as cliche as it sounds, I know you've heard this a million times before, but it's quite simply to build a list. Wicked! Thanks, Jamie, that's awesome. I've never heard that one before. Yeah, look, I get it. You know, I've felt the same. I mean, that's, you know, one of the things when you hear it, you're like, oh, well, okay, that sounds okay, easy enough, I can send an email, no worries. But the thing is that in doing so, even though open rates are dropping, even in 2019 with click rates dropping dramatically, even if all you're doing is just sending an email just to say, hi, how's it going, how's your week going, you are still putting yourself in the prospect's mind. So even if they delete your email without ever reading it, then that's actually okay, because they still have probably seen your email. They'll probably still see the fact that you're trying to engage with them. And every now and then they might just open an email and they might just click on a link, and you never know, they might buy an affiliate product, they might buy your product, or they might just re-engage them with your content. Now, what the 7-figure affiliates doing that is a little bit different from sort of everyone else is that they're actually segmenting their list to the finite degree. And what I mean by that is they are segmenting their list based on postcodes. They are segmenting their list based on time of year, on country, on sometimes gender, on birth dates, all that sort of stuff. They are finding every possible angle they can to basically try and get in with their subscribers and get more opens, get more people buying their stuff, and looking at different ways that they can engage, and always looking to hone that in and basically create content that not only helps their subscribers but obviously promotes their business or someone else as well if they're doing affiliate marketing. So number one, like I say, a little bit cliche, but it is to build a list. And the other thing is that they will also approach affiliate marketing with a slightly different angle. And if you think about it in this sense, when you jump online and you have a look at Builderall or ClickFunnels or you know, any of those kind of softwares out there, or any of those I guess systems that are out there, realistically, a lot of them will say just, all right, cool, here's some training on how to promote this. And a lot of people jump into different forums or jump into, I don't know, like the affiliate forums on Facebook, for example, and they'll take the exact same meme and the exact same basically angle, and they'll say, hey, I've made $1 gazillion and I know someone that can make $1 gazillion doing this, and do you want to make $1 gazillion? All you need to do is type me underneath this post. I've tried the same thing as well, and it doesn't really work because you're basically doing the exact same thing as what everyone else is doing. Now, I had a very good conversation with someone who is a 6-figure affiliate yesterday. He's actually one of only 60 dream car winners for ClickFunnels, and this gentleman said to me, you need to go at this on a different angle. You can't just be another sheep that's doing it the exact same way, and you need to be authentic. You need to be yourself. You need to just kind of be out there and doing it. And if you do have access to a funnel, is there some way you can create a different angle, or is there some way you can adjust it so it's more personal to your own brand? Because the thing is, people will only buy off you if they know, like, and trust you. I've spoken about that before at length on my videos. So that's the thing. How do you get people to know, like, and trust you? Well, you put yourself out there. You send an email. You rebrand that funnel with your own details on it. You do a YouTube video. Even if you can't think of what you're saying, even if this is the 40th take you've had today, you're trying to make it work. you just put yourself out there and see how it goes. And that's the thing. That's how you're going to be able to differentiate yourself and hopefully grow over the long term. The other thing is that these affiliates, you might look at it and look at the screenshots of income and the basically the money that just seems to flow to them day in, day out. And the thing is that they have spent a lot of time building a really solid base around them first. So most of them will have really good vlogs, and they'll have a lot of content. They'll have a lot of video content. They will have a Facebook group, a Facebook page. It will be filled with content on that as well. And you know, that's the thing you kind of don't see. You don't see all the hard yards that's gone into creating all that to start. And the other thing is that they do also have their own products. So even an affiliate who does nothing but promote other people's products, they will have something. There's something that brands them. There's some reason why you have signed up to their list. There's something giveaway. There's some sort of value offering along the way. So whether it's a free giveaway, a free product, a training course, something, or even if you've purchased a product off that person, of course, if you have purchased, then you're 10 times more likely to open this stuff in future because they've provided value. So that is just a few of the things that separates what the 7-figure affiliates are doing from the rest of the pack. And I want you guys to think about that. What can you be doing in your own business? What can you start to implement a little bit more in order to grow your affiliate business? That's the question I'm raising with you guys. Let me know in the comments below. Anyway, this is, like I say, take number 40 of this video, so I'm getting a little bit tired now. I need to get back to work. So anyway, my name's Jamie G. Thanks very much for joining me, and I look forward to seeing you guys in the next one. Bye for now.